Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel on data engineering. In today's video, we'll be doing a hands-on project called iPhone data analysis using Python. So if you take any data project, its main objective would be to say perform some data analysis or do some data manipulations and such that it meets the business requirements. Okay. So in the same way, for this project, we'll be analyzing the iPhone's data and we'll be performing some insights using the Pandas library in Python. So let's start. Okay. For this project, I'll be doing it in the Jupyter notebook. So that makes the readability better for all the tables to be seen properly. So I'll just open my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so browse to the folder where your project files are at. I'll be posting these project files in my Git repository, and my Git repository's link is in the description below. So let's open the project. Okay, so here my CSV file is in this folder called data. So let's start the project. So just open Python kernel. So here, first, see if you have the package installed, the Pandas package. If not, then just type in pip install Pandas and just run this. So this installs the Pandas package. Since I have already the package installed, let's import our CSV file. So if you see the CSV file, CSV means a comma separated value. Uh, I just showed to you. So if you see the file, okay. So if you just see the file, every value is separated by a comma. So this is the data we have in the CSV file. Now let's start doing the analysis. I'll just import the package, import pandas as PD. So here I'm referring this as PD because it is more convenient to use in the other parts of the code. So once I have imported the package, now I'll read the CSV file. So to read the CSV file here, I'll give pandas, that is, I'm referring it as PD. So PD dot read CSV. And here I have to give the file location. So here I'll just type in data since it is in the folder called data. So I'll just copy the file name. So this is the file name, Apple products. So I'll just give this over here. So this reads the data, which is in CSV file. So now I'll be loading this data into a data frame. So a data frame is nothing but a pandas data structure in Python. So now I'll be loading this CSV file into the data frame. Now the data is being inside the data frame. Now let's see the contents of the data. So for that, I'll just give the data frame dot head. Okay. Okay, dot head. Okay, so here dot head function returns the first five rows of the data frame. So we use the dot head function to initially look at the data quickly and get to understand the data structure inside it. So as you can see here, we have the product name, product URL, brand, sale price, MRP, discount percentage, number of ratings, etc. So now let's perform some analysis and see how we can do some data manipulations. Okay. So to start with, let's count the number of rows, like how many rows in total we have inside this data. So for that, I'll just give a simple function called df.count, which counts all the number of rows in it. So here we have approximately 11 rows, sorry, 11 columns, and we have 62 rows. for all the columns. So now let's start by doing some simple analysis. So if I would like to find out the highest MRP over here, so for that I'll be using a simple function again, a df of the column name, and here I'll get just give the function called max, which prints out the highest priced iPhone. So which is 1,49,900. So if I would like to find the product name which is costing 1,49,900, I'll simply just give this data frame of the MRP, and I would like to know for the highest priced iPhone, right? So 1,49,900. So this gives me the products which are costing 149,900. And now if I would like to find the lowest priced iPhone, so I'll be just giving the min function. So this prints out the lowest priced iPhone. This is the minimum priced from the list. Now, again, if I would like to find out which product names are priced in this MRP, I'll be just copying that, and I'll just okay. And you can see these are the products which are costing 39,900. Now let's do some more analysis on the product name. So let's find out on which data type this product name is in. So for that, I'll just give type, and I would like to know the data type, right? So I'll be just giving the product name. Okay. Now you can see this product name is in the Pandas series data type. So this series data type is nothing but in a single column. So if there are multiple columns, then it will be a data frame. Since it is a single column, it is a series type. So now let's convert this series into a Python list. So for that, I'll just give list, and inside the list, I'll just copy this thing, which converts into a list data type. Okay. And you can see the product name is converted to a list. Let's say you want to do some more analysis with the product name. Here, I want to get the first element from the list. So for that, I'll be using the indexing. So for that, I'll be giving the first index. As you know, the list for the list, the indexing starts with a zero. So once I give a zero, you can see the first element is being printed. Now, let's say I want to convert this string into all lowercase. So for that, I'll use a function lower, which converts the string to a lowercase. In the same way, if I want to convert the string to a uppercase, I'll use the function upper. Okay, now let's say I want to print out only a specific part, like only say iPhone 8 or plus from this list. I'll be using slicing. So here to slice the string, I'll have to start from this say this index. So I'll just have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll just give the index here 6. I would like to print out this iPhone 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. I have to print till 13. Oh, okay. Since it is 13, so I have to give one more. Okay. So this prints out the iPhone name. Now let's say I want to create a new column and print all the product names in the column. So for that, I'll be creating a new name for the column. So, and I'll be putting that in a data frame. So I would like to create a name called model name, and I'll be putting this list inside this data frame. So I'll just copy this, paste it here. So now this list is stored in a data frame called model name. So now print out the head and see the data. Okay. Now, as you can see here, there is a new column here, model name, and you can see the uh, product names, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 for these products. Okay. Now, if I want to say sort these values by star ratings, I would like to sort. Okay, you wanted to know which one. Okay. Now let's say, Now let's say I would like to sort the values by star rating, and I would like to sort it by descending order. So for that, I'll just use the sort function. So this is how you sort values. Here I have to mention the column name. Here I'll be using the star rating. And here I have to mention the order. And I would like to do it in descending order. So here I have to give a boolean. Okay. So now you can see this is sorted in descending order from highest to lowest, 4.7, 4.7. And you can see up to 4.5 and the remaining columns and rows below. So yeah, in this way you can do different data analysis using Pandas data frame. So now I'll show you one more. So if I would like to categorize by RAM size, if I want to find out which iPhone is having the highest RAM, again I'll be using the data frame. Here I'll use RAM, I'll use max function, which prints out the highest size RAM. And again, to find out which iPhones are having 6 GB RAM, here I'll again use a data frame. I'll call this inside this data frame, and I'll use equals to this 6 GB. So this gives me all the products which are of 6 GB. So these are all the iPhones which are of 6 GB RAM. Yeah. So this way you can perform different data analysis using this iPhone's data. Yeah, any project gives you a hands-on experience on how to read the CSV file, how do you load the CSV file into a Pandas data frame and do different data analysis. Here in this project, I have explained you some basic functions like min, max, like using the basic functions and getting values from the given data. So in the same way, you can perform different manipulations as well. So yeah, that's it for the project. If you do have any questions, please post them in the comment section. I'll be answering your doubts over there. And as I said, I'll be posting this project files in my Git repository, and that is in the description below. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you do like it, please share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.